Are your favorite game crashing again and again on Windows 11 and ruining your gameplay? Before you waste hours reinstalling games or updating drivers, try this simple fix that could get your game running smoothly in just a few minutes. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Let's go together to solve the issue. First, go to search menu of start button and type cmd. Right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator. A black window will pop up and you have to paste this code DISM.exe online clear up image Restorehealth and hit enter. This code is used to repair the Windows system image if it has become corrupted. This is an internal Windows tool. It will take some time to complete the process. As you can see, the operation completed successfully. Then you have to paste the second code SFC scannow and press enter. This process also will take some time, so keep patient and wait for the end. This process is repair Windows corrupted file. As you can again see, the process is completed. After completing this process, you have to close the CMD and you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, press Windows key plus I together. Settings window will open. Then click on System from the left panel. Then you have to click on Display. Then little bit scroll down and you can see the graphics option. Click on it. Then set the game you play to high performance. That's it, my friend. The problem will be solved. You should follow the steps in your PC and let me know your feedback. If these fixes stopped your games from crashing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video. That's all for today. Take care. Goodbye.